I've got the JBL Sense Pro earbuds, and I'm going to show you how to charge these earbuds. Now, of course, to charge them, you need to put them in the case and then close your case, and that's going to charge from the battery of the case. So that's going to charge the actual earbuds. Now, you can also charge the case by connecting a Type-C cable into the back of the case, and then the other end of that Type-C cable to a source of power. So this source of power could be a power bank, it could be a wall outlet, it could be any source. For instance, you can even connect it to your computer, and you should be able to tell it's charging because you'll see this light animation on the case. So currently it shows it's charging. It also shows it's not quite full, but it's very close to full. So you can see, you can tell by the animation. So if this was starting from right here and then blipping this way, then it would mean it's much lower. Now, you can also, in case you're not anywhere near a power outlet, connect this to either your car charger or even your phone, as I'm connected to right now. So you can even use your phone to charge the JBL Sense Pros wired. And also, interestingly enough, if you have a wireless charger, you can actually also connect these headphones wirelessly because they do support wireless charging. And of course, if you have a phone that has reverse wireless charging, for instance, if you have a Samsung like this one, you can simply turn on wireless power sharing or reverse wireless charging, and then place your earbuds at the back of the phone and they should start charging. So as you can see, the animation shows they're actually charging. So those are the different ways you can charge your JBL Sense Pro earbuds. Thanks for watching and good luck.